Step 1. Understand what confidence is. Confidence means believing in yourself and your abilities. It is not about being perfect, but about trusting that you can handle challenges and learn from mistakes. Step 2. Start with small goals. Begin by setting small, achievable goals. Completing these will give you a sense of success. For example, try speaking up in a meeting or starting a new hobby. Each small win builds your confidence. Step 3. Practice self-care. Take care of your body and mind. Exercise regularly, eat healthy food, get enough sleep, and practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation. When you feel good physically, confidence comes more easily. Step 4. Change negative thoughts. Notice negative thoughts that tell you I can't or I'm not good enough. Replace them with positive statements like I am capable or I can improve. Positive thinking helps build a confident mindset. Step 5. Learn new skills. Confidence grows when you know you are improving. Take time to learn something new or improve your existing skills. This could be through reading, online courses, or practice. Step 6. Prepare and practice. Preparation reduces fear. Whether it's a presentation or a social event, practice what you want to say or do. The more prepared you are, the more confident you will feel. Step 7. Face your fears. Avoiding fears can lower confidence. Instead, face them step by step. If you are afraid of public speaking, start by speaking in front of friends, then a small group, and gradually larger audiences. Step 8. Use confident body language. Your body language affects how you feel. Stand tall, keep your shoulders back, and make eye contact. Smiling can also improve your mood and confidence. Step 9. Surround yourself with positive people. Spend time with people who support and encourage you. Positive energy from others can boost your confidence and help you believe in yourself. Step 10. Celebrate your progress. Recognize and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. This reinforces your confidence and motivates you to keep going. Building confidence takes time and effort, but by following these steps every day, you will see improvement. Remember, confidence is a skill you can develop. Keep practicing and believe in yourself.